What I want to show you right now is what happens with the order form abandoned cart sequence, because now this is working on the landing page that you have built and whenever someone is engaging with your product, because that's what all this is for in some form or fashion, right? So we go to our order form abandoned cart sequence. I'm not going to go over my landing page today. It's pretty rudimentary. I find that landing pages that are overly technical or just have so many words, it just feels like spam. Like people just want the brass tacks. They want simple. They want to know that you can do the job. If you have to like use every graphic known to man to prove that, then you're kind of just wasting time and space. People are just so overwhelmed nowadays. That's the issue. They're so overwhelmed with everything, media, with distractions. They want simple. Can you answer their problem? Can you help them? All right. So same thing. We have a trigger, and that trigger is order form submission. And that order form submission is on a two-step form on my checkout page. So it's in the funnel, which is PrettyQuizCodes. It's the page that in that funnel is technically the home page. And then that submission type is an opt-in. So they opt in with the name and email. And then from that opt-in, they're able to move on to the next page, which gives them the opportunity to put in their credit card information or payment information. Whenever they opt in and click submit, this fires, this trigger happens, and now it gets assigned to a user, which is me, yours truly, Connor Callahan, and then we have a 1 hour wait. I want to make sure that it's an hour because if someone hasn't purchased, it's technically an abandoned cart. After an hour, they may be busy. If it's immediate, then they're still in the process of buying, or they may still be in the process of deciding, right? So after an hour, we have that time delay, which is just wait 1 hour. And then we create or update our opportunity for the AC, that abandoned cart. So we created an abandoned cart opportunity, and that is with the opportunity for the contact's name. And that's going to send out this email, this abandoned cart email. And that's what they're going to receive, which is just letting them know some more information about maybe a coupon code or something that will entice them to go back to the order page and complete the order.
I know you're finding this video super helpful right now, but if you wanted to just copy and paste some codes and have an outstanding quiz up and running on your website in the next 5 minutes, then click the link in the description.
Because within that hour, there is still a chance that they're on the fence. That might have been a hot lead that got busy or got distracted. Might have been somebody that saw your product and just kind of got cold feet. Happens all the time, right? You do it all the time. You do. And so with that coupon code, that's going to help them. Maybe they're wanting a little bit more. So with that abandoned cart feature, that helps to capture a few more sales. It doesn't have to be a big coupon, or it can be, however you want to make that work. And if you found this helpful, then I think you're going to find this video helpful next. It goes over some information on how to build quizzes and save you some time.